In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy pages or websites on WordPress. So all you need to do is sign into your account and then go to plugins right there and click on add new. So we're going to add a plugin to do this. So you want to search for plugins, and then all you need to do is search for duplicate. Oops, my bad. Let me go back. So duplicate and then post. So duplicate post, and there you go. So once you type in duplicate post, you'll find all of these extensions. You want to click this one, click on activate, and there you go. Now it's right there. All you need to do next is go to your pages, find the one that you want to copy. All you need to do then is click on duplicate this, and there you go. So that's how you can copy a page or duplicate a page on WordPress. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.